You've got an amazing invention idea, and you're ready to start researching it, or maybe to start using AI tools such as ChatGPT to begin refining it. But here's the truth. If you share the details of your invention with an OpenAI system, you might accidentally give it away. Today, I'll show you how to protect your invention and the hidden dangers of using AI tools in the process. I've seen more inventors using tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm product names, write descriptions, test patent ideas. But what most people don't realize is this. When you input information into these platforms, it's not guaranteed to stay private. Depending on the terms of use, your data can be stored, reviewed, or even used to train future AI models, which means your secret idea may no longer stay secret. Let's start with the fundamentals of protecting your invention. The best way to really protect your invention is by filing a patent application. But before that, you might want to do at least the following. Step 1. Document your idea. You should keep detailed notes, sketches, and prototypes. We're actually in a first-to-file patent system, but if it's ever helpful to prove that you were first, that record is your evidence. Step 2. Use NDAs before sharing. When you discuss your invention with potential investors, partners, or manufacturers, always ask them to sign a non-disclosure agreement. It sets the right framework for the relationship. Step 3. File a provisional patent application. A well-written provisional locks in your priority date and gives you 12 months of protection while you refine and seek additional funding for your project. If you share your details with an open AI platform like ChatGPT, even something as simple as, write me a patent description for my new solar water purification system, you might now have publicly disclosed your invention to a third party in a non-confidential environment. And the public disclosure before your patent filing can void your rights in many countries. One of my clients, a tech entrepreneur, used an AI chatbot to write about their prototype. A few months later, before they filed their patent application, we discovered that a similar concept had appeared in a publicly available online AI training dataset. Now, was that coincidence or leakage? We'll never know for sure, but the similarity was astounding. And that disclosure in those online training tools was enough to cost them international protection. That's why my rule is simple. Never input any confidential information about your invention into public AI tool. You could use the AI for general research, but keep your proprietary information offline until you are protected. So here's the smart way to protect your invention idea and stay safe in the age of AI. Document privately. Use notebooks, offline files, or encrypted storage. File a provisional patent application early. Secure your priority before discussing the idea anywhere. Use NDAs for human partners. Remind them that they need to keep your information confidential too. Use AI cautiously. Only for public info, never for the details of your invention. Consult a patent attorney before filing. Make sure that you're taking the right steps to protect yourself. If you follow these steps, you'll protect your idea and your peace of mind. If you've got an invention that you care about, don't leave your protection to chance. You can book a call with me and my team at Goldstein Patent Law. We'll walk you through how to protect your rights the right way. Or if you prefer to dig in first, check out my book, The ABA Consumer Guide to Obtaining a Patent. It's helped thousands of inventors turn their ideas into protected assets.